So I was asked this question from one of our viewers in our videos, that if they stage their home and make repairs, how much more will they make versus selling in as-is condition? In this video, I'm going to answer that question. Now, obviously, it depends upon the repairs that you are making. So if you want to stage your home, obviously staging your home is going to be very important for online viewership. You're going to attract a lot more buyers with a very pleasing photo in the MLS. My recommendation is always to have your home properly staged, furniture positioned correctly, declutter, whether painting walls or replacing some flooring. It's very important that you have me come over to your property before you do any repairs whatsoever. And the reason being is I want you to get a return on your investment. So if you're just going to pick things to repair or stage, you might not get a return on it. So, doing this for 15 plus years, over 1,000 transactions, hundreds of homes per year, I know how to make a home more valuable. So if you are thinking of selling and you have questions about staging or doing repairs, whether it's painting, whether it's replacing a kitchen, whether it's replacing knobs on cabinets, your doorknob on your front door, some landscaping outside, before you invest your time and money, please have me over so you make sure that you get a return on your investment. Every dollar that you spend, I want you to make $3 back. Now, if you want to sell your property in as-is condition, we will still make it show very desirable online via photos. However, we'll make it very clear that selling your property in as-is is the exact home that they are purchasing. So they will not expect any repairs whatsoever. So you have options, whether staging and doing repairs or selling as is. Now, let me give you an example real quickly. If your home is worth $300,000 and you want to make certain repairs, we can actually list your price at $320,000 versus $300,000 if you do certain things that I recommend. Now, if you don't want to do any repairs, if you don't have the financial wherewithal to invest in the property, don't worry. You're still going to do very well in this market. You might not do as well as staging and doing certain repairs and renovations, but you still are going to do well. So you have options. So if you have any questions regarding selling, staging, doing repairs versus as is selling, please reach out to me. You can email me. My email is on the screen, or you can reach out to us via phone or one of my team members. There is never any cost or obligation. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we can't wait to see you on the next one.